Hey guys, it's Tyler. It's been a while since I made a video, but I got a new car. Jeep's still there. The trailer just got back from a trip, but I got a new inlet pipe. So I'm going to be installing that. I'll be kind of showing you how to. I have some APR coils, and then this is an APR inlet pipe. So let's get to it. So first, I'm going to be taking this stuff off right here, taking that off, going to the back, taking that off too. I think, yeah, it's all of these guys right here, just squeeze ones. So on this 2011 GTI, there's a bolt right in the back, right there. And you can't see it, but it's a T27 Torx, which is the star one. Won't focus, but yeah, the star one. So there you go, just so you know. So for this connection right here, you just have to squeeze this part and kind of bulges out. Squeeze each little corner and it'll come off. Took me a second to figure it out, but it's all good now. Then you're gonna want to go into the back there and pull this rubber guy off. Same thing, all the disconnects. It's all that little squeeze clamp, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna take this guy right here and obviously put your hose clamp on first. I'm gonna aim it towards the back so I can get a tool in from over here. So make sure you position that correctly so you don't have too hard of a time. Squeeze this guy in there. That on, and yep, slide the hose clamp down, and we'll be good to go once I tighten it. Alright, so I put the hose clamp on right there. I'll also have the flashlight on because it's getting a little dark. And then this guy will pop on right on top. Make sure that goes behind. And we'll tighten this guy on. Alright, so I put this on. It only came with 3 hose clamps, so I ended up just getting another one because I used one down there, one right here, and then this needs 2, instead of trying to salvage one of the other clips. Just make it kind of look a little cleaner. So we'll just tighten these guys on. Make sure it's seated all the way on there. Alright, so I just put that bolt in, kind of a pain in the butt. Before it was the 2-piece, so you're able to disconnect it here and loosen it from this side, but squeeze your hand in there if you can, get that all installed, and yeah, looks pretty good, I'd say. Let's do a test. Alright guys, so this is the best place I can put the phone. I'll be getting a phone mount soon, but after driving it for 10 miles maybe, I do feel a difference. Feels a little bit quicker. Throttle response is there. A little better throttle response. It says on the website that it will create more engine noise, and it does. I hear the engine a little better. So for you 6-speed guys, having that engine noise helps a lot with knowing where you're at in the RPM, so you can shift. Just makes it a little easier hearing something. I bet most of you guys can agree with that. But yeah, I would say it's definitely worth it. I think it's somewhere around 130 bucks for it, maybe a little less. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's definitely a good modification. I'll be adding a new intake, cold air intake for it. I'm just waiting for that to ship. It's taking a while. I ordered these 2 parts at the same time, but this came first, so I installed that. And then I'll be doing an exhaust, and then a stage 1 APR tune. So got some power coming. Not much. I want to keep it pretty reliable. You know, I say that now until I start doing stage 2 tune and all that stuff. So having all those modifications with the cold air intake, the exhaust, the inlet pipe, coils, and stage 1 tune, all those should take it to around 260 to 270 horse. So that translates to about 250 to the wheels, I believe. This one's just front wheel drive, it's just the GTI, so you don't lose too much power with front wheel drive. But I'm excited to see where this thing goes, and I want to take you guys along with it. I will still be doing Jeep stuff, so for all my Jeep bros, don't worry, and camping friends, don't worry about it. I'll keep doing that stuff. I ain't giving up on it. But yeah, stay tuned for the next car update or Jeep update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.